Another day working on the trike. As you might have seen, got the electronic throttle hooked up there, trying to make some more improvements. So, trying to get rid of the little lever I made for the tensioner. So I got this old Volkswagen part. I'm gonna shove it into the hole there, weld it up, and then I'm gonna weld this plate onto it, right so it doesn't hit the wheel, you know, as far out as I can. Weld this pedal onto it here. You know, it'll go on, I don't know, something like this. And then, you know, it'll be this actually, because this won't move, but this will, and that's all that needs to move. So, let's get into it. Okay, got this marked here, basically right under the part number. So I'm gonna cut this length off, get this all ground down for welding in this side too, and then go from there. I'm not gonna show you the cutting because nobody cares about that. All right, so this is what I got going on. Ground it all down, cut off those ends, and got it basically where I want to weld it. So let's turn this beast on and set it to 8,000 and zappy. Let's see how this goes. Tax. Oh, that was sick. Also not expecting. Must be some shit left in there too. That's okay.
Alright, I'm leaving. I'm out the studio.
Okay. Alright, kind of see how I got it going on. Super ghetto redneck engineered, but I'm gonna give it a test drive, see how it goes. It's another day on the foot area pedal contraption I'm doing here. Got this old nasty sway bar that was actually in the half-car trailer when I bought it. I'm gonna cut that in half and I'm gonna extend it because I don't like where that is. So let's get to it. I'm gonna drop everything. That's what I got. So I got this bar cut, obviously, off the sway bar. I'm gonna have it here, sticking out, and I have the bike at full turn. So when this is on there, it doesn't hit. Gonna weld it onto there where I cut the pedal off, and then I'll weld the pedal onto the rest of that there. And yeah. See how it works out. I'm gonna put this down because it's hot from grinding all the shit off of it. Okay, now turn the welder on. That didn't work. Well, it looks like shit because this thing won't weld sometimes. It does have a mind of its own, but it'll work. It's actually really freaking comfortable right there. Heck yeah. I'm right there. Holy shit. Pedal got a little hot. If anything, I'm working on this one, I can pull it out right now. Probably should have taken the pedal off. So it doesn't hit. Got plenty of room. So, I'm going to knock out the other side, and I'll be back. Got this side on, and I realized while I was doing this that the reason it's welding so crappy is because these pedals are cast aluminum. And I'm using flux core welding it to mild steel. So, yeah. But it worked. It's welded on. Except when I went for a test drive, that one broke off because I only tacked it on the top and I forgot. So, gotta get that fixed. Gotta get the welds cleaned up. Not cleaned it up because that's not a word. Cleaned up. And then I'm gonna grind it a little bit. And then I'm gonna paint the whole thing. I'm not sure if I want to match it to white, to the trailer in the car, or do something different with it. Let me know what you think in the comments. That'll be it for this. Just kidding. You think I'd end the video like that without fixing this side here? Well, I did. Got it on. And I threw in a little bolt gusset on each side. I did, obviously, as you can see, redesign them a little bit because I didn't like the angle and everything that they were at. But now, they are pretty comfy. I did take that lever off, so now it just pulls the tensioner from here. Well, you gotta flip it like that, and it will pull it. And it stays. It works out pretty good. And, oh, shit. I can get my foot on here. And get that curled over. So it all works out. Then I got the thumb throttle up here, so now I can officially have feet out. They're not going to get hit by anything at all. And I can keep my hands on the actual handlebars now. So that is actually officially it for this video. So now it's time to test drive. Let's freaking go, dude.